Put me arms right around you. Can you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life?
Welcome back to my channel. So if you didn't know by the title, I'm doing this look right here. This is my everyday look. I do have another everyday makeup look on my channel, but that's doing like a lot for an everyday. You know what I'm saying?
Ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit. Oh God.
This is my third attempt in filming this video, and I already did my brows and my forehead. Sounds really weird, but I just did that. So I'm just gonna prime my face with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. I've been doing this thing lately where I do my forehead. I work my way down on my face, if that makes sense. So I do my forehead, my brows, my eyes, and then the rest of my face. I'm still trying it out, but I like it so far. So for foundation, I'm using this foundation right here. I haven't used this in a while, and no foundation really matches me anymore. So I'm just trying a whole bunch of different foundations, like a whole bunch of different combinations, I will say. For concealer, I use the Makeup Revolution C12. Just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender, like that. My face looks so highlighted. I love it. Doing my setting with the Laura Mercier powder. I don't know, I think I mentioned it in a previous video. I don't bake my under eyes anymore. I just set it with powder, and you know, I'm just gonna take a fluffy powder brush and dust off all the excess powder. As you guys can see, what I did bake was like the bridge of my nose, and that's it. So I'm just gonna use my inglot contour brush to bronze my face. My eyebrows look so weird, but it's because that's just because this wig is giving me an instant facelift. And I'm low-key here for the facelift, but I don't like the brow thing. Like, why my brows look like that though? I'm just gonna contour my nose. Perfect. It looks like I can't breathe. Exactly what I'm going for. So I want to try this new brush that I got sent from Sigma. This is the Extreme Structure Contour F04. It looks like this. I'm just gonna dip it into my powder contour. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more intense because I really just was going to bronze, but why not contour, you know? My favorite blush at the moment, this is the Sigma Nightlife Hotspot Powder Blush. And I'm just taking this on a BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna spray my face, and this is the MAC Mineralized Charged Water. It does not look like this though when you buy it. It's completely clear, but I did put some highlighter in it, and I've been loving it to just give my face some moisture because I've been looking so dry lately. I want a banging highlight. So for my banging highlight, y'all already know my inglot body sparkling dust for face and body. This shit is intense. I highlighted the inner corner of my eyes, my brow bone, my temples, you know, my cheekbones, a little bit down on my chin. So And I outlined my lips with the True Brown K from Kylie Cosmetics. Then I'm going to fill in my lips with Naturally Transformed from MAC. If y'all can see the lace, don't tell nobody. It's between you and me, alright? So yeah, this is the final look. This is my everyday look. Me doing the bare minimum. You don't have to wear lashes. This is just like when I don't really want to do anything to my eyes, but I still want to feel glam. So I just put on lashes. Don't forget to like this video, share with friends and family, and if you want to see more glammed looks from me, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.
Hold on, like a fast bike on the road, vroom, 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 vroom.